Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Moderna's third quarter 2024 earnings. We'll cover key financial performance metrics and dig into insights from the earnings call. Let's get started. Starting with top-line revenue, the original estimate for Q3 was $1.25 billion. However, the company reported $1.86 billion, surpassing expectations significantly by 48.95%. This quarterly revenue also marked a 1.64% increase compared to the $1.83 billion reported in the same quarter last year. Moving to adjusted earnings per share, or EPS, the original estimate for Q3 was a loss of $1.94. However, the company reported a profit of 3 cents per share, exceeding expectations by a substantial 101.5%. This result also reflects a 100.3% increase compared to the loss of $9.53 reported in the same quarter last year. Now, let's dive into some additional performance metrics highlighted during the earnings call. One of the standout achievements was the significant decline in Moderna's cost of sales. In Q3 2024, their cost of sales dropped 77% year-over-year, showcasing the company's impressive progress in driving manufacturing efficiencies and productivity improvements. This contributed to Moderna's ability to deliver net income of $13 million in the quarter, a stark improvement from the $3.6 billion loss reported in the same period last year. Another area of financial strength was Moderna's research and development expenses, which were down 2% year-over-year in Q3 2024. This demonstrates the company's disciplined approach to managing its R&D investments, which will be crucial as they work towards their goal of reducing annual R&D expenses by $1.1 billion by 2027. Equally impressive was the 36% year-over-year decline in Moderna's SG&A expenses. This highlights the company's focus on cost optimization across the organization, including commercial, medical, and general and administrative functions. By leveraging digital technologies and AI, Moderna has been able to drive significant productivity gains and reduce its reliance on external consultants and services. Looking at the bottom line, Moderna's income tax expense was significantly reduced compared to Q3 2023. This was primarily due to the establishment of a $1.7 billion valuation allowance on deferred tax assets in the prior year, which continued to impact the company's tax expense in the current quarter. Rounding out the key financial metrics, Moderna ended Q3 2024 with a strong cash and investments position of $9.2 billion, providing them with ample resources to execute on their strategic priorities. Now, let's shift focus to some of the key insights and takeaways from the earnings call. It's clear that Moderna is laser-focused on driving cost efficiencies across the business. The company is targeting $1.1 billion in annual R&D savings by 2027, which will be crucial in funding the advancement of their robust pipeline of product candidates. In terms of their pipeline, Moderna is poised for a busy 2024, with plans to file 3 products for regulatory approval. These include a COVID-19 bivalent vaccine, an RSV vaccine, and a flu-COVID combination vaccine. The company is working closely with the FDA to ensure a smooth regulatory process, and they are optimistic about the potential for these products to contribute to their future growth. Another key focus for Moderna is improving COVID-19 vaccination rates and increasing their market share. The company is actively engaged in educational campaigns for healthcare providers and direct-to-consumer initiatives to emphasize the importance of COVID-19 vaccination and the dangers of long COVID. Additionally, Moderna is working to expand its international manufacturing and commercialization efforts, with plans to bring new production facilities online in the UK, Canada, and Australia in 2025. Beyond their respiratory vaccine portfolio, Moderna is also making significant progress in their non-respiratory pipeline. This includes advancing late-stage programs for cytomegalovirus, CMV, norovirus, and lung cancer, with important milestones expected in the coming year. Finally, Moderna has strengthened its leadership team and board of directors, reflecting the company's commitment to executing on its strategic priorities. The expansion of the executive committee, including the promotion of internal talent, demonstrates Moderna's focus on developing and retaining its top talent. Additionally, The appointment of a new board member with strong commercial experience is expected to provide valuable guidance as the company navigates the evolving healthcare landscape. In conclusion, Moderna's Q3 2024 earnings call showcased the company's remarkable progress in driving operational efficiency, advancing its robust pipeline, and positioning itself for long-term growth. With a keen focus on cost optimization, pipeline execution, and strategic partnerships, Moderna is well poised to continue making a meaningful impact in the lives of patients around the world. That wraps up our recap of Moderna's third quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.